Good morning, class. How's your weekend? As you all know, Post-UME 2025 now has the dates, and we should all be fast. We should register, and we should all be fast in preparation. Let's increase the numbers of time that we use to prepare. And again, you should fight to next question. The current affairs questions are questions going to be coming out from recent things that happened, like check this last tournament that was played, Nigeria won, so who hosted the cup, and stories like that. Very important. So let's start the class. Last class, we talk about coordinate geometry. We've talked about midpoints. We talk about distance between 2 points. We talk about some other things. Now, but today we want to focus on equation of a line. Now, the general expression for an equation of a line is this: y equals to ms plus c. C is the what? Y what? Intercept. And m is the what? Slope. M is the slope. Now, when is this? When s is equals 0, we have a value for y. That is y intercept. There's all s intercept, but it does not really appear in this equation. S intercept is when you just equate what is it called? You know, when you say s is 0 from this equation, when you say s is 0, so that you have what? Y equals to what? M 0. You can see y equals to c. Is the y intercept already. You can see what we are trying to see. So questions that we are going to do, I gave you some equations. I'm going to write it again. I'll give you some equation last week. I'm going to write it again. So we are not going to focus our question around this. Now, one. Giving the what? Slope and what? Intercept. So y equals to what? Ms plus c. 2. Giving equals to what? Y minus s1, y minus y1 over s minus x1. Now, the third one is giving what? Giving 2 points. 2 minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 over x minus x1. These are important formulas. I can't call it formula, just pattern. I can't call it formula, just pattern. These are important. Now, the second phrase is that you talk about two parallel lines that can meet. If you have a graph like this, there are two parallel lines that can meet. Two parallel lines that can meet. You have the slope of this one as m1, and this is what? M2. So for two parallel lines, for two M2 for two parallel lines. For two parallel lines. Now, for lines that are perpendicular lines, you have a line like this. Another one comes like this. There is this formula M1 equals to what? Minus M2 equals to what? Minus 1 M what? M1. It's important that we get this. Now, I think it's clear now. It's clear. Now, given slope and intercept, one, you just apply the slope and the intercept in this. Given a point and a slope, you apply the point and the slope. Given 2 points, you apply this. Now, the question might say, two parallel lines. Two parallel what? Two parallel lines. And you just have to pick that. And please, I want you to write this down. I'll give you 1 minute. Write this down. And if there's any question you have to ask. So, any question? Any question? Please talk if you have question. Any question? Okay, let's continue. We have our first question.
Sir, the perpendicular line is it minus 1 over M1 or 1 over M1?
M1 equals minus 1 over M2.
Okay. But we wrote M2 equals to minus 1 over M1 on the board.
Yeah. M2 equals to minus 1 over, yes, same thing. It's correct. M1 is equals to minus 1 over M2. And M2 is also equals to minus 1 over M1. In a nutshell, this is just it. M1, M2 equals to minus 1. Is it clear now?
All these lines. Hello, sir.
Hello, I can hear you.
Sir, these
I can
lines,
hear
are
you.
we to draw it? These lines,
If
are
you
we to
wish,
draw it? Like,
this is for
all right, sir.
one. This one for what? Perpendicular line. And this one is for what? Parallel line. Now, the first question, if you go to your page 56 of the past question, there's a question there, and I'm going to write them, and we're going to do 56. Our topic for today is very simple. So, we're going to have a lot of work to do as exercise in class. Now, page 56, we have a question there, number 13. Find the equation number 21. Number 21. Find the equation of a line of a straight line of gradients. Gradient same thing as slope. Through the points 1, 4. Solution. Now, we have this question. The formula we have to use, you know this formula that says m is equals to y minus y1 over x minus x1. So what is m? M is this gradient, which is 2. Y minus y1, this is y1, and this is x1, and this is y1. Y minus y1, y minus 4 over what? X minus what? X minus 1. So you have this equation. So I'll cross multiply now. I can put 1 here. And I'll cross multiply. I say 2 into bracket x minus 1 equals to y minus 4. So from here, I have something like 2x, if I open bracket, minus 2 is equals to y minus 4. So here I have to check the question. How did they arrange this? They want y to be alone. 2x minus 2 plus 4 is equals to y. So I can say 2x plus 2 is equals to y. Y is equals to what? 2x plus 2. Question. So I'm going to, if any question, I want to entertain question again. Let's talk. If you have any question, please talk. Same time of question. We did this last week also. Because we have issues with network. That's why you have to revisit it again today, so that those people that didn't get it can get it. So we have a similar question. Can I rub this off?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. Copy it.
Fine. Now, so class, we have two questions that we have to attend to. Now, these two questions important. That will bring us to an end to this for this and some other questions too. Now, the first one is find the equation of a line parallel to the line 2x plus 3 cos y passing through the points 2 comma minus 5. Then the second one is what? Find the equation of a straight line that
Sorry, sir.
pass through the points 1, 4 and perpendicular to the line 3y minus 5x plus 1. What's the question?
The
Chairman,
first example you gave, yes. Good morning, sir.
I can hear you.
Okay, the first example you gave, well, is it 2 1? I just number.
Is this one or the one we
Yeah,
did? We already had up.
this one, this one. The number one example. Yes, yes. Okay.
2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5, and this one is minus 4 minus 1 comma 4. Now I will read it. If you can't see it, I will read it. Find the equation of a line parallel to the line 2x plus 3 equals y, passing through the point 2 comma minus 5. And the second question is find the equation of a straight line that passes through the point minus 1 comma 4 and perpendicular to the line this. Now, what you need in this question, I'm going to tell you what you need, and you people will do it. I'm going to tell you what you need. Now look at this one. Y equals to what? MS plus C. You have to write this equation in this form, and this equation is already in this form. Y equals to what? 2s plus what? 3. So M is what? M is 2 because it's parallel. M1 equals M2. The second line that is perpendicular to this one, that is parallel to it, because they are parallel to each other, their slope will be the same, M1, M2. So you just pick M1, you pick M2, and use these coordinates, and use this formula, Y minus Y1, S minus what? S1. You get? So here, just this is what? This is S1. This is what? Y1. You just apply it in this formula. Then you do it. Is that clear?
Sir, please, can you recap? Like, I don't understand.
Do you understand the first example that we did?
Yes, I understand. But this particular place, when you
Now,
said y is equals to
Y is equals to what?
y is equals to mx plus c.
Okay. Y is equals to ms plus c. This one, Y is equals to what? 2s plus 3. You just compare. Please. You compare what? You see that M is here. 2 is here. You just say M equals 2. You get?
Okay. Yes, sir.
You see? If this one is minus 2, you say M is minus 2. You compare this coefficient of x here.
All right, sir.
You get? Now,
Thanks,
this is
sir.
for this line. Wait, for this line, M1 is 2. But we now said parallel line that are parallel, M1 is equal to what? M2. So I can just say this one is equal to what? M2.
True.
You get?
True.
Because they are
Yes,
parallel.
sir.
Now you cannot pick that M, and that is 2. You equate it to some Y minus Y1, S minus S1. Where is the Y1? What's your S1? So you get the equation, please. ASAP.
Yes, sir. Thank
Now
you,
the
sir.
second one, find the equation of a straight line that passes through the point minus 1, 4 and perpendicular to the line 3y equals to minus 5x plus 1. Minus 5x plus 1. And you have this, my people. You have this, and you know that perpendicular line M1 is equals to what? M1, M2 is equals to minus 1 for perpendicular line 1. But you have to write y equals to what? Ms plus what? C. Now you have this one. 3y is equals to minus 5x plus what? 1. But you have to say divide both side by 3. Y must stand alone. So that y is equals to what? Minus 5 over 3x plus what? So that M1 for this one will be what? M1 for this one is what? Minus 5 over 3. Please, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So M2, you know that M1, M2 is equals to minus 1. What is M1 now? Minus 5 over 3 is M1, Abi. M2, you want to get M2.
Yes, sir.
So this is what? Minus 5 over 3, M2 is equals to what? So let me write it. Because multiply. This is minus 5, M2 over 3 is equals to what? This. So minus 5, M2 is equals to minus 1 times what? 3, right? And that's minus 3. So M2 can be written as what? Minus 3 over what? Minus 5. And that is what? M2 is what? 3 over 5. If M2 is 3 over 5, please, my people, M2 is what? 3 over 5. You cannot say 3 over 5 is equal to what? Y minus Y1 over S minus what? S1. You now use that formula, then you get our answer. Please, class. Man, is that after this class, I have a question. If anybody that can get the question, I'll give them 1,000 airtime. After this question that we have here, I'm going to write the question on the board, just one question. Anybody that gets it will get 1,000 naira free airtime. So I'll give you 2 minutes. I want the answers. Then I will not
Hello,
write the question. Hello, I
hello,
can hear
sir.
you.
Good morning, sir.
I
Number
can
one
hear you.
answer is number one
Okay,
answer is
wait. Let's wait for other people. Let's wait for other people. Let's wait for other people. Thank you. 2 minutes. Princess, are you there?
yes, sir.
Oh, I don't want to pin those points. The answers. What's your answer?
Number one answer is
Remember,
y is equals to
this is not the question for the card. Though. Now, the first one, you said your answer is what?
y is equals to
Please,
y equals to
y equals to what?
2x minus 9.
2x minus 9. And the other person?
That's what I got, sir. That's what I
Thank you.
got.
The second one? The
y
second
equals
one?
to y equals to 3 over 5x.
Is that all? Okay, thank you. So we are going to do the first one, do the second one too. We are going to move
It's
fast.
23 plus star plus
Plus what?
23 over 5
23 over 5.
over 5. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now you have this one. This is m is 2, y minus y1, 2. What is x? Okay, y1 is 5, sorry, minus 5. This one will come plus 5, x minus 2. Then you say this one is what? Put into bracket x minus 2, y plus 5, right? And this is 2x minus 4 plus y plus what? 5. And the answer is finally 2x plus minus 9. You guys are correct. Thank you very much. Now the second one, I won't continue. I'll continue from here. What is S1? Please, I've rubbed it off. What is S1? What did I put as S1?
x1
What
is
did they call
minus
it?
1. Minus 1
Minus 1
and 4.
4. Thank you very much. Well, 3 over 5 is equal to y minus 4 x plus 1, right? So you have 3 into bracket x plus 1, 5 into bracket y minus 4, 3x plus 3, 5y minus 20. And this is 3x plus 5y equals to what? bring this one here, minus 23. Now, it doesn't matter. This is correct. Yours is correct. It doesn't matter, my guys. It doesn't matter how you write the equation. Depending on the answer that you have. Your answer might not likely come like this. So they don't come in fraction. No. You get. You don't have. If I want to write it like your own, I don't have to move this one to this side. I don't know how did you get minus. How did you get? Oh God. Is there a mistake somewhere? No. This mine is correct.
Sir, you made a mistake.
Yeah, thank you. How did I make that mistake?
It's supposed to be plus 3 plus 20. 3 plus collect like terms.
3 plus what?
3 plus 20.
3 plus. Minus
Yes, you're
3,
supposed
yeah?
to collect like terms.
I collected like terms now. I brought this one to this side. Oh, thank you. God bless you. I've seen it. Thank you. 3x minus 5y is equal to what? Minus 20 minus 3. 3x minus 5y minus 23. Thank you very much. I love you. Now, it can look like your own now. You get it can look like your own. If I want to make it like your own, I just bring 3x here, then I bring plus 23 here, then I bring 5y here, right? Then I divide both side by 5, then it is like your own. That is what 3x over 5 plus 23 over 5 equals to y. Thank you. Now, 1 minute, not 1 minute, you get it. For those people that didn't, 1 minute for you to, I'll give 1 minute for you to copy up, and we'll write the question. Write the question. You have no, we don't have time. Thank you. You can screenshot it. So want to write the question for the prize. 1K at time this morning. So I'll give you 2 minutes to solve it. I write the question, I'll give you 2 minutes. It's very fast. Everybody that is very if you are smart, don't tell me the answer straight after I write it on the board. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Oh, you are cheating, you are not helping yourself. Which of the following line is not parallel to the line x minus 2y equals 5? Now you are going to type the answer. First person to type the answer, right? First person to type the answer there is to type the correct answer. To send the correct answer is the winner. First person to type the correct answer is the winner. Which of the following line is not parallel to the line? Which of them is not parallel to this line? Which of them is not parallel? Which of this line is not parallel to this line? You have 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, if you don't get the answer, my people, it is gone. After 2 minutes, if you don't get the answer, it is gone. It's gone. If you don't get the answer in 2 minutes, I'll keep my airtime. I'm going to keep my airtime. Option, please. Option. Don't decide the question. Option. Whether it's A or B or C. We have our answer. And the first person that got the answer is Daniel. If you check this, they are the same. Look at this. The line that is parallel to this, look at this. 2x minus, you have to focus on these two. S and 2y, S and 2y. Look at this. They are the same. This one is still 2, this one is 3. You get, you can divide this thing by 2. You still get this ratio. You still get this ratio. This one is exactly this. This one is parallel to this. This one is, they are the same thing. These two, they are the same thing. It's 2, 1:2. This one 1:2. But this one is 1:2. But the problem that makes it not parallel to this line is plus that you have here. It's a plus. So Daniel should send the number that you want us to send the card to the group. Thank you. Bye.